Hi, I'm Emma. Today's English is slow and easy. Just relax and listen along. Have you ever walked into a big store full of things you don't know the names for, and felt unsure how to even ask for help? Today Hannah is stepping into REI, America's biggest outdoor gear co-op, at the REI Soho store in New York. It's her first time shopping for a camping trip, and the shelves are full of tents, sleeping bags, and hiking boots. It's the perfect place to practice friendly, everyday English. And here's the magic part. Today Hannah uses one gentle phrase to ask for almost anything. Could you help me? You can use this exact phrase at REI, in any store, or really anywhere in America. So settle in, relax your shoulders, and let's go shopping with Hannah. Alright. Today Hannah has 3 gentle missions. 1. Ask a REI staffer to help her find a beginner camping tent. 2. Try on some hiking boots, and calmly ask a specialist to slow down when the gear words go too fast. 3. Sign up for the REI co-op membership and grab a rain jacket before she leaves when a store is big and full of new words. One soft, polite request can carry you through the whole visit without any stress. By the end of this video, you'll be able to ask for help, ask someone to repeat something slowly, try things on, and check on a membership, all in simple, natural English. Ready? Let's step inside REI. Here are today's 5 REI key phrases. Repeat each one after me. Nice and slow. Key phrase 1. Could you help me find a good beginner tent? Could you help me find a good beginner tent? This is today's magic phrase. Could you help me? Is one of the friendliest, most natural ways to ask for help in English. It's polite, it's clear, and it works with almost any store worker. Just add what you need at the end. Find a tent, carry this, or check a size. Key phrase 2. Sorry, could you say that again, a little slower? Sorry, could you say that again, a little slower? A calm, kind way to ask someone to repeat something when they use words you don't know yet. It's polite and completely normal. Everyone needs this one. Key phrase 3. Is it okay if I try these hiking boots on? Is it okay if I try these hiking boots on? A soft, natural way to check before you try something on in a store. Key phrase 4. I was wondering if you have this rain jacket in my size? I was wondering if you have this rain jacket in my size? A gentle, relaxed way to ask about sizes and stock. Key phrase 5. Would it be possible to sign up for the co-op membership today? Would it be possible to sign up for the co-op membership today? A polite, respectful way to ask about joining or signing up for something. Great job! Now let's watch Hannah use them at REI. Hannah walks into the camping section at REI Soho, where display tents stand open on the floor and shelves of sleeping bags line the wall. Helping her is Ethan. A busy but kind REI staffer in his late 20s, moving quickly as he restocks trekking poles, but always ready with a warm answer, wearing a green REI co-op vest over a plaid shirt.
Hi. Could you help me find a good beginner tent?
Absolutely. You came to the right spot. First camping trip?
Yes, my very first one.
Then let's keep it simple. For most beginners, I'd point you to a 3-season tent. Good for spring, summer, and fall. This one right here is light, easy to set up, and sleeps 2 people.
Oh, that sounds perfect. Could you help me lift it down so I can see it?
Sure thing. There you go. See these clips? You just snap them onto the poles. The whole thing goes up in about 5 minutes.
5 minutes? Even for me?
Even for you, I promise. And it packs right back into this bag. If you want, I can grab a matching sleeping bag too. They're on sale in the REI garage section this week.
That would be great. Thank you so much, Ethan.
Anytime. I'll set the tent by the register for you. Welcome to REI. You're gonna love camping.
Beautifully done, Hannah. She opened with our magic phrase, "Could you help me find a good beginner tent?" Clear, friendly, and polite. "Could you help me?" is wonderful because it works almost anywhere. You just add what you need at the end. And notice she used it a second time. "Could you help me lift it down?" Same easy pattern, different task. Ethan was busy restocking, but because Hannah asked so kindly, he was happy to stop and help. When you ask for help in a warm, simple way, people at REI, or any store, are usually glad to say yes. Hannah moves to the footwear wall at REI, where rows of hiking boots line the shelves and a low bench sits ready for trying them on. Helping her is Sam, a quiet, expert REI boot specialist in his 30s who says little but knows his gear cold, wearing a green REI co-op vest, speaking in calm, technical bursts.
Hi. Is it okay if I try these hiking boots on?
Go ahead. Those are waterproof. Gore-Tex membrane, moisture-wicking liner, and a lugged outsole for grip.
Sorry. Could you say that again, a little slower?
Sure. Waterproof, keeps your feet dry. Moisture-wicking, pulls sweat away. And the outsole. The bottom. Has deep grip for muddy trails.
Ah, that makes sense now. Thank you for slowing down.
Lace them up. Walk around.
Oh, these feel really comfortable. Is it okay if I try the trail up the little ramp there?
That's what it's for.
Nice and steady. I think these are the ones. Could you help me find the right socks to go with them?
Wool. Warm, cushioned, no blisters. Trust me.
I do trust you. You clearly know your boots. Thank you, Sam.
Enjoy the trail.
Look how calmly Hannah handled that. Sam knows his gear so well that he used some fast, technical words. Gore-Tex membrane, moisture-wicking, lugged outsole. Hannah didn't panic. She just smiled and said, "Sorry, could you say that again, a little slower?" This is one of the most useful phrases you can learn. When someone uses words you don't know yet, you don't have to pretend you understood. A kind "sorry, could you say that again, a little slower?" tells them exactly what you need. And almost everyone will happily slow down for you. She also kept using our magic phrase, "Could you help me find the right socks?" Gentle, clear, and easy. Hannah steps up to the membership desk near the front of REI Soho, her tent and boots waiting at the register. Helping her is REI. A warm, funny REI veteran in his 50s who's seen every kind of first-time camper and loves a good joke, wearing a green REI co-op vest and a well-worn ball cap.
Hi. Would it be possible to sign up for the co-op membership today?
Absolutely. Best $20 you'll ever spend. One-time fee, lasts a lifetime, and you get a share of the profits back every year. We call it the dividend.
Oh, that sounds like a great deal. Could you help me fill out the form?
You bet. Just your name, email, and a phone number. Don't worry, we won't send you a tent in the mail.
Good to know. And I was wondering if you have this rain jacket in my size.
Medium, right? Let me see. Ha! Last one. It was meant to be. You know what they say, there's no bad weather at REI, only bad jackets.
I'll remember that one. Is it okay if I add it to my order?
Course it is. So that's the 3-season tent, the boots, the wool socks, and now the rain jacket. You are officially ready for the trail.
I really am. Thank you so much, REI.
Anytime. Welcome to the co-op, and now go find yourself a trailhead. Enjoy REI.
Wonderful. Hannah found her first tent, tried on hiking boots, joined the REI co-op, and grabbed a rain jacket. All with calm, polite English. At the membership desk she used, would it be possible to sign up for the co-op membership today? And I was wondering if you have this rain jacket in my size? Two easy, natural phrases you can use almost anywhere. But the biggest phrase of the day was still our magic one: could you help me? A gentle request plus a friendly helper equals a smooth, happy visit, at REI or anywhere. Okay. Now it is quiz time. Quiz time. At the very start, Hannah walked up to Ethan in the camping section and needed help finding her first tent. She wanted to ask in the friendliest, most natural way. Which was Hannah's magic phrase? A. Where are the tents? B. Could you help me find a good beginner tent? C. I need a tent now. Try writing your answer. A, B, or C, or the whole phrase in the comments below. Writing it down helps your brain remember it 100 times better than reading. I read every single comment and I will reply to let you know if you got it right. Amazing work today, everyone. Now you have 5 gentle phrases that will help you feel calm and confident anywhere in America. Could you help me find a good beginner tent? Sorry, could you say that again, a little slower? Is it okay if I try these hiking boots on? I was wondering if you have this rain jacket in my size? Would it be possible to sign up for the co-op membership today? With these 5 phrases, even a huge store full of new gear at REI starts to feel friendly and easy. If this video helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe to Easy English with Emma. It truly makes my day. And next time, Hannah is heading somewhere delicious. We're visiting the Cheesecake Factory, the famous American restaurant with a menu as big as a book. She'll practice ordering, asking about the menu, and yes, picking a slice of cheesecake. See you next time. Bye-bye.